Bonjour everyone, it is Sue, the French Texpat, and today I am going to attempt to make a fresh strawberry tart. So I will pop a photo in here of all the ingredients that are going into this, and I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, and you can kind of see where I'm at right now. I have cut up all the strawberries. I'm saving the strawberry tops because Obi actually likes those, so those will go in his dîner. And that's it for right now. The tart crust is baking in the oven, and I will come back and splice in the next steps later. Okay, the crust has come out of the oven. Some of this brown you see is the actual paper. So the crust looks pretty much about the way I think I want it to look. But it's too hot to take off the paper and the paperweights. But I'm a little bit not happy because the paperweights did not keep down a big puff from this area. So I very gently have pressed it down, which probably means the crust in that area is not going to be very puff pastry-like at all. And this was also a new way of cooking in this tart pan. I bought this exterior tart pan fairly recently, which is metal. This is the silicone tart pan that I bought before that I'm using as a liner instead, and that has actually had a much better result in terms of the crust itself overall. And as I mentioned, I think somewhere else, maybe I didn't, but trying to bake a liquid pie, essentially, in a silicone pan has been comical to get it into the oven without spilling anything. So I decided to go ahead and do it this way, and I'm very glad that I did it because, as you can see, it's very nice and puff pastry-like, and it looks like it's fairly about the same all over. It looks like towards the back of the oven, though, it gets a little bit too dark. So I will need to pay attention to that in the future, and halfway through baking, or several times through baking, just shift and turn the position of the tart pan. So we'll see. This has to cool for quite some time, so we'll come back. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. I have put in the crème pâtisserie and obviously put the strawberries on it, and the recipe called for an apricot jam and water glaze, but I only had raspberry jam, so we'll see how this does. So now it goes into the refrigerator for at least an hour, so several hours, and then a slight dusting of powdered sugar before it's ready to serve. But let's see how this looks when it's completely finished. More later. All right then, so here is the final product. It turned out really well. Yeah, the crust did get a little hard on the bottom, so I will figure out what to do about that next time. But it was perfect on the sides, and the custard was great, and the strawberry with the raspberry glaze was also fantastic. I think next time, though, I might want to put the strawberries in the bottom of the pie shell and pour the crème pâtisserie around it so that they are actually cooked into the pastry itself. So we'll see. At any rate, thanks for watching. Wish you all a bonne journée, bonne soirée. I'll see you again soon, and au revoir.